We're going to make setting up a Phantom wallet as easy as possible for you. We'll cover how to set your Phantom wallet up on your desktop and your mobile phone. This how-to video is for someone who's never created a Phantom wallet before. There are chapters down below for ease of use for you, so you don't have to sit and listen to the entire portion. You can jump around to the portions that are relevant to you if you're doing it from a phone or a desktop. We're gonna first cover the desktop setup. Setting up your desktop wallet. Step number 1, visit https://phantom.app and download and select your browser. I use Chrome. Step number 2, follow the steps in your respective extension store to add the Phantom wallet extension to your browser. After installing, you should see the Phantom open in a new tab. Step number 3, make sure to pin the extension to your browser so you can quickly access your wallet with one click. Click the icon that looks like a little puzzle piece to access your list of your browser's extensions, where you will then find the option to pin your Phantom wallet. Click on the pin icon next to the Phantom to make it visible in the extension bar and easier to find in the future. Here's a safety note for you. As always, make sure you are installing the official browser extension. A great way to be sure is to always download the latest versions directly linked from the phantom.app webpage. Step 4, select create a new wallet. Step number 5, create a secure password that you will use to access your new wallet in the future. Note, this password will only be used on your current device and browser profile you installed the wallet in. This password will only be used for you to more easily secure your Phantom wallet in your current browser profile. Step number 6, enter your password and select continue. Pretty simple. Step number 7, you'll be presented with your secret recovery phrase, aka seed phrase. Be sure to store your secret recovery phrase in a safe and secure location. I can't stress this enough. Safety tip number 1, make sure to write down your secret recovery phrase in the exact order you see it. Do not mess this up. If one word is out of order or misspelled, you will not be able to recover or access your wallet and its assets. Safety tip number 2 for you. Make sure to put the paper you wrote your seed phrase on in a safe location. I put all my seed phrases in a safe and marked which wallet the seed phrases are associated with. So if I have a Bitcoin, a Solana, Ethereum, etc. Your secret recovery phrase is the most important part of your new wallet. Whoever has access to your secret recovery phrase will have access to your wallet's funds. If you lose your secret recovery phrase, you will lose access to your wallet and its funds. The team at Phantom never has access to your secret recovery phrase, so there's not like customer support you can go to. Phantom team members or other honest people in the crypto space will never ask you for your secret recovery phrase. If someone is asking you to give them your secret recovery phrase, they are scamming you. I promise you that. Do not trust them. Recovery phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. No customer support will ever be able to help you to recover your wallet. So do not lose this, please, please, please. It is impossible to recover a wallet if a seed phrase is lost. Step number 8, after saving your wallet password and securing your secret recovery phrase, select continue to proceed. Now you have completely set up a Phantom wallet on your desktop. It was that simple. It's not really hard, but I'm glad I was able to help you walk through it. Make sure you like this video and comment Phantom down below so more people who want to take part in Solana get the opportunity to see this video, because this is a great starting point. Subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on X so you never miss another video teaching you how to maximize your opportunities within the Solana ecosystem. Now let's teach you how to download and create a new wallet with your phone. Okay, so now the wallet's on your phone. This isn't the same wallet, these will be different, okay? Setting up your mobile wallet, let's do this thing. Phantom is for both iOS and Android devices, so you can access your crypto, NFTs, and dApps from almost any device. So here's the first step. Visit phantom.app and download and select the app store that matches your device, iOS or Android. You'll know by the phone you're holding, you're aware. Clicking the links on your official page will ensure that you will be directed to the official Phantom application, because you don't want to download the wrong one. They could have malware. Safety note, as always, make sure you are installing the official browser extension or the official app. Step number 2, follow the steps to download and install the application on your device. You've probably done this 1,000 times already. I'm doing mine on the iPad, but it is the same step if you were to use an iPhone or an Android. Pretty self-explanatory. Step number 3, after installing, opening the app, you should see the Phantom onboarding screen to set up a new wallet. Step 4, select Create New Wallet. Step number 5, enable biometric securities at the Protect Your Wallet screen, okay? And click Next. This secures your wallet using a fingerprint or a facial recognition to ensure you are the one who can access it. You don't want maybe your kids to access it. We strongly recommend turning this feature on. I recommend it, I use it on mine. You don't want someone grabbing your device and messing with your Phantom wallet because that stores your assets and you might have quite a bit of money on there that you don't want someone to touch. It could end up catastrophic for your assets within the wallet. Step number 6, you will be presented with your secret recovery phrase, aka seed phrase. Now I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but be sure to store your secret recovery phrase in a safe and secure location. I know I'm probably getting annoying, but here's the safety tip. Number 1, we talked about it up above, but we're gonna do it again. Make sure to write down your secret recovery phrase in the exact order you see it. Do not mess this up. Do not mess it up. If one word is out of order or misspelled, you will not be able to recover or access your wallet. Safety tip number 2, make sure to put the paper you wrote your seed phrase on in a safe location, okay? I put all my seed phrases in a safe and marked which wallet the seed phrase belongs to. Your secret recovery phrase is the most important part of your new wallet. Whoever has access to your secret recovery phrase has access to your wallet. Whoever has the keys has the funds. If you lose your secret recovery phrase, you will lose access to your wallet forever and its funds. Sorry, there's no customer support. And as a friendly reminder, the team at Phantom never has access to your secret recovery phrase. And also the Phantom team members or other honest people in the crypto space will never ask you for your secret recovery phrase. If someone is asking you to give them your secret recovery phrase, they are scamming you. Recovery phrase is the only way to recover your wallet. No customer support will recover or help you recover your wallet. If they're saying that, they're probably scamming you, I'm telling you. It is impossible to recover a wallet if a seed phrase is lost. So let's move on, let's keep going on the steps. Step number 7, after saving your wallet password and securing your secret recovery phrase, select Continue to proceed. Now you have completely set up both a desktop and a mobile Phantom wallet with ease. It's super simple, but if you got questions, leave a comment down below. Make sure you like this video and comment Phantom down below if you're bullish on this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on X to never miss a piece of content teaching you how to maximize your opportunities within Solana, because we make Solana easy. Bonus points if you have notifications on. If you want to continue watching and learning about the amazing things happening on Solana, watch one of these videos here or click my profile to explore all the Solana content we have ever created.